Hi loves! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, what we are going to be cleaning out this guy right here. This is my refrigerator, and the cleaning out my refrigerator has definitely been really high on to-do list, like a high on my priority list for quite some time. Now, ever since our place went on lockdown, aka self-quarantine, I have been looking more, and which is weird, but also it's also exciting to discover this about myself, which is why it was really important for me to clean the refrigerator. If you know me at all and you know I rarely cook, it's just that it's not my thing. Yeah, lately I've been cooking more. I've been cooking every single day. And the other day while I was cooking, I was like, I really enjoy cooking, and I have caught myself going to bed at night getting really excited to wake up the next day so that I can cook high. Because cooking means spending more time in the kitchen, aka spending more time with the refrigerator. I'm filming this intro, by the way, after I've already cleaned out my refrigerator. And let me tell you, okay, my refrigerator was nasty. Okay, it was so nasty, so please don't judge me. And also, I want to mention really quick that I am so happy that I inspired you guys to organize clean as well after posting my husband's shoes organization video. A lot of you guys have commented, left me DM saying that you have also been organizing because of me. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. But I organized and declutter and clean out my husband's shoes. It is a very satisfying video. Also, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below what other part of the house you want me to declutter and organize. Here we go. Here it is. Yeah. This is embarrassing, guys, what my refrigerator and freezer looks like. Because I mean, come on, this is crazy. Thumbs up this video, leave a comment down in the comment section if your refrigerator looks like this, so I don't feel alone. But this is the whole point of this video, right? To show you the before and after.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try.
Hi loves, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found useful things as well. Please don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on that bell notification button so that you guys get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching loves. Bye!